Inspired by the iconic Shammgod crossover, the Puma All-Pro Nitro 2 celebrates the legacy of God Shammgod and his unmatched ball handling skills. Designed for agility and speed, this sneaker combines performance and style in a sleek white and black colorway, making it a versatile choice for both on-court action and everyday wear. The All-Pro Nitro 2 features Puma's Nitro foam technology in the midsole, delivering exceptional cushioning, responsiveness, and impact protection during intense play. A durable outsole with advanced traction patterns ensures solid grip and stability on any surface. Meanwhile, the breathable mesh upper keeps feet cool and comfortable during extended wear. Whether you're breaking ankles on the court or turning heads in the streets, this shoe is built to perform and impress. Release date is on July 18, 2025 with a retail price of $140.